You guys wake up and decide to go and harass people at clinics, hospitals, and schools today, you will be arrested. There are chances that you will be arrested, and I'm talking to you, Operation Tudula. Yesterday, the Gauteng High Court ruled that what you guys have been doing is not only unlawful and unconstitutional, it's illegal and xenophobic, and it will not be tolerated. Judge Adams handed the judgment and said, Aiko, you're not allowed. Even the police are not allowed essentially to do what you guys have been doing. You can't just stop citizens and ask for identification. You're not allowed. Even police are only allowed to do that under high suspicions. Not just because bavugile but decide ukuthi bayakhona and bazoyenza. So if you guys wake up today and you decide that you're going to continue with your jobs, even Zandile cannot save you. She does not have enough money, well, she might, to bail you guys out and stuff like that. So do that at your own risk. Be xenophobic and hateful at your own risk. And the judgment also interdicted Zandile and Ukhatebe, leaders of Dudula. They're not allowed to speak in public hate speech. They're not allowed to entice violence and xenophobia. They're just not allowed to do exactly what they have been doing. Judge Adams said that humanity has no nationality in this country, and the Constitution allows the rights given to foreigners, legal or illegal. So yeah, I don't know. Re-strategize. Find a way to deal with the Constitution and leave people alone. And I urge you, if you see them doing such things, record them with your phones, okay? Record them. We need proof so that they can get arrested nicely. I hope everybody has a good day.
Breaking news, Operation Dadula can't Dadula anymore.
Yeah, some group must change its name now. Yeah. Dudula is no longer going to work for them because High Court has interdicted them. I wonder now, what are we going to be voting for? There's a political party called Dudula when they're not Dudularing anyone. Hey, tell Zandile to go to the hospital. I want to see something. I want to see you remove people. I want to see. Now I'm ready. You see now. Now I'm ready, Mina. I'm ready to take any video, take it to police station. It's evidence. You don't know. We are ready to report you. Yeah, go to the hospital. We are ready to report you. Yeah, there's a court order now. We know how to deal with you. Dudula, go and Dudula. It's no longer your name, that thing. You can't. The court has interdicted you from Dudularing people. What is your name now?
Yo, South Africa, Louisville. Ba re ba tswantle ba na le matla o feta lena ebile ba important o feta lena ba re ba bana ba ya dikolong ba ya di-clinicing ba hijacka di-building ebile lena a la tshwanne go botsisana next lena e lenya go botsisa le tshentse le kwa lo kry-a a court order e le dumelang gore le botsise utlwelang Socio-Economic Rights Institute of South Africa. It's an NGO, which means ke bo Jolof le bo Monangwagwa ba butsi an NGO ba ntsha ditšhelete ntse ba le illegal ba lisa court ba supporta ke boma ke ba le ba rohana ba le ke ba tshabang ba le hape nna ke nyako ruya ba na nna o ntho wa ke o bloka fast so a ke nyako tshwenyana le bona ne ba support. Right, Arabuleleng school, what does interdicted mean? The interdicted means the court has gave a legal order to Operation Dudula to stop what they're doing immediately, meaning stop blocking people going to clinic, stop going to schools, stop doing all these things the illegal immigrants. If you don't stop, or if they don't stop, they can be charged with a contempt of court, which means charge more charges on you, which means you can be fined, which means you can go to jail. My question is, do you think they should stop? Right now, stop. Africa la tlhola. Hape ke motlholo. Ke di miracle tsa go Bible. Motho a le illegal, a roba molao. Wena o nyaka mo hapeletsa gore a follow molao. Wena o le criminal. They have to go get a court order to do their job of arresting criminals. If you're breaking the law or entering into a country illegally, that means you're a criminal. You're breaking the law. And the police needs to get permission to arrest you now. They have to apply. Listen, Mandela Lugurizarang. Are he ANC to my little dagam ko apartheid government and little dagating. Lilenali treating ANC the way little apartheid government. Kenako South Africa. Kenako. And I get all what I did tip and like it was so good or pila never happen let's have or to ya rig. Mohagulum Buddha P. To do Lady Clinicking, Lady the Petela, Lady Gaiga, Lady Golo. Make sure you invite all those people, the 62% ailing unemployed. They don't have the resources, they think we don't know. The resource. But community. That's one. And two. Lena Masol and Mapurisa South Africa, Twana le Madagascar. I get Madagascar by the Baba Hapeles and Mapurisa Masola, then her Biotwaraba to Madagara or Manche, La Rafela, Lerna were part of these people. So Mapurisa refusing, Litigiro are lady for say. And then three, Dudula take them back to court, use the law against them, the very same broken law against them. When in South Africa, if you agree with Dudula, Bozang South Africa government, they're Lanyel. South African government Lanyel.
Uyabona abona angaze ngenza ivideo ngihleka kanje ongikwazi ngenza ivideo ngisesimini sokusesenjabulo engaka uyabona angifuni uqamba manga yabona ngalesikhathi ngisaqala ukuthukwa la ku TikTok angifuni uqamba manga ngiphatha kabi lento ukuthi niyangithuka yabona kwaya ngokuya ngajwayela ngaze ngayithanda inhlamba ngiyakhumbula kunesikhathi la khona ebeningasangithuki khona inhliziyo yami bisiphatheka kabuhlungu ngithenza ngithangithuka manje ukungithuka ikhona bengingipha amandla ekuthenzi ngilo ngibuye njalo lapho ngizontshena amaqiniso izwa ke into engiyihle kahle kahle yini kune comment engiye ngahlangana nayo la einhlokweni le comment le bekade ngikhuza njengenjwayelo ke mina ngumuntu othanda ukuyikhuzela mayelana nalezi zinto ezenziwe idudula inzondo phansi kusixabaniseni sodwa singabantu abamnyama siyindle emnyama befuna isilwe sodwa yabo shuthi ngiye ngenze enye ivideo mhlawumbe uzoyibona mangathi uphindele emva ama video nami ngisanda kwenza nje la kune comment ethi pain went straight to ingane zamakwerekwere hey yabona bathatha ayikhiphe inakhuzana i-comment engihlekise njenganaleyo ngoba manje le comment ingiyazela lapha ngale kulumbango ngale ngiyazela ngale yonke lento le yabona manje mase ngiyibona iza ngapha sengiyabona okay kanje ngicela ukubuza ke njengoba sebemisiwe laba sebemisiwe ekuthi beqhubeke nalomsangano lo abebewenza ekuthi befuna ukusixova singabantu abamnyama yini enye abazoqhamuka nayo ke njengamanje abazonunusela ngayo nina South Africans ngoba bebethe bathi bona babeka South Africa phambili bathi we put South Africans first bathi banibeka phambili ngokunsusela abantu abasezibhedlela ngokuvimba abantu abagulayo ezibhedlela banibeka phambili ngokukhipha izingane zabantu ezifundayo ezikoleni ekuthi kungene ezini bebethi banibeka phambili ngalo nto leyo njengoba sebesusiweke kulokho kusekusho kuthiwa akukho emthethweni lento abayenzayo yabona bevinjwa nje straight ekuthi bengaphinde beyenze yini anye abazoqhamukana ekuthi njengoba befuna ukuba i-political party ekuthi bafuna nibavotele yini abazonigabisela ngayo abazothi bazoyilungisa ngoba phela akukho kunye abeke bakuveza bathi nje bona we put South Africans first yabona lapho mabethi we put South Africans first bakhuluma ngeibhedlela bathi banibeka phambili ezibhedleleni kuzo zonke lezi ndawo bebevimba kuzona emakliniki ezikoleni njengoba bengizwa kuthiwa next year bazongenelela ezikoleni ikuphi konke njengamanje ngoba bafuna ukuba i-political party abazonigabisela ngakho abazoqhamuka nakho beniveze ngoba akukho kunye abake bakuveza baqhamuka bathi uma ngabe niba nathi noma niba siba ngizoyibika kanjani nje lento noma uma ngabe nisupporta kuyo yonke lento esiyenza sizonenzela khona akukho abake bakuveza okumayelana kuningi ikuphi abazoqhamuka nakho njengamanje kuthi bazonenzela khona as South Africans ngaphandle kwalokho asebevinjwe kukho kwathiwa akukho emthethweni lokho ngifisa ukwazi lokho nje ngifisa ukwazi
I just learned from the news that Operation Dudula got an interdict from a court, so that they are barred now from entering the health services and chasing people away from health services, and they are not allowed to ask people for documentations anymore. So I'm thinking now, is this maybe the end of Operation Tutula? Because I know their main campaign was Uma Bahambe, where they were asking people for documentations and they will chase them away from health service centers. And I know that next year they were planning to to go to schools and chase undocumented learners. So now that the court has issued the interdict, so is this the end of Orlando's Operation Tutula? And what's their next step now? It's even funny that even as South Africans were divided into two, because there were some South Africans who were affected directly by the acts of Operation Tutula. I was watching a video of this guy. I think he's a Tsonga guy, where he was asked for documents by Operation Tutula members, and when he resisted that, look guys, I'm South African, and they did not believe him and he was violated. So I think that was one of my main issue, that the guys are not qualified to do the work. I know it might sound, or it might look like it's an easy job to do, but the reality is it's not, because they just look at you and they judge you by your by your facial features, if they suspect that we are a foreign national based on how you look, and yeah, you'll be a victim, so I don't know, man. I understand the patriotic fight that they claim to be fighting, but then again, how they were going about it, I don't think it was the right way. Maybe the energy needs to be redirected to the right people, which is our government. Yeah, man, I'm just curious to see if this is the end of Operation Tutula. If it's not, so what's their next step? Are they going to appeal, against the court interdict, or what's their next step? Or is this the end? Especially considering that they wanted to run for elections and stuff, But we're here to sit and watch their story unfold. And yeah, man, I'm just hoping just hoping for the best, man, out of all this thing that is happening in our country, because at the end of the day, it's affecting everyone, whether South African or non-South African, and yeah, especially that now even the citizens of South Africa were being victimized, because of how they look, because the guy that I was watching his video I think it's a Tsonga guy, where he was complaining that he was victimized by the members of Operation Tutula based on how he looks, because they were suspecting that he is a foreign national, whereas he is a South African. So yeah, we are here to just sit and watch the story unfold, and yeah. But for me, I don't see any other strategy that will be applied by Operation Tutula, because from my observation, Mabahambe was their main campaign movement, and if now this has been shut down by the court, what's next? So what does it mean, like, for their future, and yeah, but we're here to sit and watch. So I thought, let me just share, man, and hear what other people think. Thanks.
Tutulians, today I'm not here to fight you. Today I'm not fighting anyone who's supporting Tutula and Operation Tutula. I'm here with just simple advice. Obviously now, whether you're going to appeal, I don't know how you're going to even appeal, because you didn't have legal representation during this whole court case. I don't know now where you're going to get legal representation that is smart enough to deal with this big issue. Having said that, the issues that are raised are genuine issues. The issues that are raised by Tutula are genuine issues. Like, they are very issues of national importance. The overcrowding of hospitals, this and that, and unemployment. Those are very valid and genuine issues. What is not genuine about this Tutula thing is how they decided to go approach these issues. That what is not genuine. They decided to go to the weakest link, low-hanging fruits. They went to deal with the people at the bottom of the food chains. That cannot be genuine. That's not correct. Now that the court has actually granted interdict to the Human Rights Council and other organizations that were fighting against this Tudula, barricading the hospitals and so on, Tudulas now they need to think like proper educated people, like proper civil organization, like proper organization. They need to go back to drawing board and think, how do we address the same cause that they were fighting? Because the cause, like I said, is genuine. They need now to go to the employers of the so-called foreign people. These employers who are employing the foreign nationals without papers. Tudulians, sit down, go and attack those people. The owners now, the owners of production, the owners, the people who have got money. Go attack those people, the owners of the restaurant. Go stop that kind of activity there until those people comply with the law. Then we can start listening to you. Go to the government. Go to government. Start challenging how they are processing papers and so on. Then we can listen to you. But all I'm just saying now currently, all I'm saying with to the Dudulians, your cause is very genuine, but how you are executing it, like execution is very bad. You are doing it. You've got a right cause, but executing it the best. I mean the worst way possible. Go back to the drawing board, discuss, find ways around this. Find ways around this. You can still fight your cause. You can still make sure that people are documented, people are employed correctly, all those things, but just following the proper channels. Then maybe your organization can be a better organization, can be.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozo Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are reacting to Lenza Bioguti High Court rule Operation Tudula as unlawful. Some people are really happy, including foreigners. They're so excited because they're but members of Operation Tudula, they are saying they'll never stop going to my clinics in the bancebele abantu boqhamuka ukuthi banga-access their services, so bayasho nje ukuthi ngeke bona baze beve ngecourt or icourt ikhuluma nje imbudane. They don't know what they are saying and they will not stop. They will still continue protecting what belongs to South Africans. So please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.